One of the most popular teas in the United States, Echinacea tea, is like water with steroids when treating coughs and common colds. It is packed with active compounds such as caffeic acid, alkaloids, phenolic acids, and antioxidants. Echinacea has been observed to reduce the duration of common colds and alleviate sore throat and coughing. It helps boost your immune system, making you more resilient to common infections. It is also known to rejuvenate your skin, fight cancer, improve your mood, reduce anxiety, and lower blood sugar levels.